Knowledge is the most important thing for everyone's life. Good morning, respected G2 sir and all my dear friends. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on the topic New Education Policy 2020. I will cover up my topic through introduction, comparison between old education policy and new education policy, and way further ahead. So, according to new education policy, the main aim of new education policy of 2022 is India global knowledge superpower, and it also has to build new schools about 40 and build new infrastructure of 1400 schools. And now we talk about what is new education policy. In new education policy, we have rebuilt the infrastructure such as 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4. In this infrastructure, we will focus on equity, accountability, equality, infrastructure, and intelligence. And so now we will compare what is old education policy and new education policy. In old education policy, the structure was 10 plus 2. That means we have board examination in 10 plus 2 and students from start their education from first. Now in this education policy, we have 5, 3, 3, 4. In this, student will first spend their time in Anganwadis or primary schools in 3 years, and they will take admission first and second. In this five, student don't have to give any examinations. They just have to go to schools, because in previous times students are not interested in to go to school. They just think that is the burden of education. But in this, they have just only to go to school, and they just doing just creative things what they are interested, and they have to know any examination. Now we will come to 3. What is 3? In this 3, student came to 3rd class, and examination started from 3rd class, and this will go up to 3rd, 4th, 5th, and till 5th student can learn there in mother tongue only. No one can force anyone to learn to study in a particular language. Students are freely to take knowledge in their mother tongue. Now we will come to another 3. In this 3, student take admission 6, 7, 8, and from 6 onwards, student can start critical learning and artificial intelligence. From this, they can take part different type of learning, vocational learning such as sewing, weaving, etc. Now 5, 3, 3, 4. Now since 4, now student came to 9th class. 9, 10th, 11th, 12th, and in this also since 10 plus 2 there is board examination, and in this also students have to perform board examination also 10 plus 2. So now I will talk about the basic important and positive aspect of new education policy. In the new education policy, students can gain knowledge in their particular mother tongue. Nobody can force anybody to take a particular language, such as many students think that English is, they come from that background, they don't understand English. So if they study in mother tongue language, they can easily understand that topic. And in this second positive aspect of that, student now can interesting to go to schools. And third positive aspect is that now they can start since class 6th, they can start their vocational learning, critical thinking, etc. Now if we have positive aspect, there are some negative aspect also, such as if a student since primary childhood, if they have no they can study in particular mother tongue, so there is a basic chance of that in after class 6th they have some problem in English learning. So this is, I think, but there is positive aspect, so there is negative aspect. So according to my in my opinion, new education policy reform India very well, and now India become a third education revamp in the world. And in this new education policy, everyone has get a chance to learn our knowledge about their mother tongue. Thank you.
Good, Sumit. And this is before we go further, मैं इसके बारे में बताना चाहूँगा. Sumit is from such a humble background. Very basic कि उसके parents का एक formal education भी नहीं है. So जो बच्चा वहाँ से start करके आज इस level पे बोल सकता है, तो it's an inspiration to किसी के लिए भी कि आप कहीं से भी स्टार्ट करके पहुंच सकते हो। ये लैंग्वेज कैन नॉट बी बैरियर फॉर यू कि भाई मैं हिंदी मीडियम से हूँ या मैं कोई स्टेट बोर्ड से पढ़ा हूँ या मुझे बोलना नहीं आता उसके कारण से। पहले तो ऐसा है नहीं कि लैंग्वेज के कारण ही आप सेलेक्ट या रिजेक्ट हो रहे हो वहाँ पे। बट अगर इंग्लिश में वहाँ बात कर रहे हैं तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि आप नहीं बोल सकते। इट्स बहुत थोड़ा सा फर्क चाहिए, हार्डली 1 month 2 month और मैक्सिमम 3 months, जहाँ पे आप उस लेवल पे आ सकते हो कि बिल्कुल जीरो से भी स्टार्ट करोगे, यू कैन रीच टू दिस लेवल। दे आर द लाइव एग्जाम्पल। एंड